Alright, YouTube morning. We want to go ahead and do some work on the old pickup truck here. This firewall and everything was just covered in grease, dirt, and grime. As you can see now, we went ahead and cleaned it up. Sorry about not getting out the video on that one. My camera had a little issues, but we got the engine bay all cleaned up. That firewall was about 2-3 different colors. We used a combination of our favorite rust removal, which I showed you in another video. Some purple power degreaser. And I'm not sure if you can see the remnants, but one of those gray Scotch-Brite wheels, you can stick to the end of the disc. I think they called it like a black wheel or something. So we went ahead and used that. Let's see if we can't find that rust removal. Well, can't even find the rust stuff, but anyways, we did that in a little red Scotch-Brite. Got her all cleaned up. Now we're not going too beautiful on this because it's going to be a shop truck for around town, picking up parts, maybe haul a couple things to a car show. Nothing really special. So what we're going to do is go ahead and do some primer on that firewall and then use chassis black. And here in a bit I'll give you that chassis black number. There you go. Little degreaser, little black wheel, all scuffed up, good enough, ready for some paint. So let's go ahead and get our primer on. Alright, there we go. Like I say, it's not the best, but once again, this is just a work truck. Try and get it quickly up and running so we can really start the rest of the cosmetic work. Just get her drive around town, kind of beat her for now. And then we're going to really start souping her up. Once again, nothing really fabulous on the firewall, just a light coat edge primer. Let's try and get it ready for some paint. Now we're going to lay on the chassis black. There we go. Get you in focus here. Chassis black 422-50, and that's what we're going to be using to spray it. Let's get our first coat on. Oh, there we go. Started it, and that's the first coat. Just going to spray it all black for now. Then we'll go back later and clean it up and maybe remove that heater box and put an aftermarket heater in it. Remember, this is just temporarily so we could get the motor in, start mocking up the drive shaft, electrical, and then we'll tear it all back apart and get it ready for paint. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put on the second coat. See ya in a minute. Okay, YouTube. Take it from me, it's not my best work ever. It's just a quick scuff and shoot. There's still a lot of things that's going to go on with this truck.